Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use advanced feature in Facebook. In order to use advanced feature in Facebook, you also want to make sure to update the app to the latest version. So basically, to use an advanced Facebook feature, you could leverage the advanced search by adding a filter after a search query. So after performing a basic search, you will click on a see more filter link or look for a filter icon to refine your search by category such as event or public post as well. Next, you could also turn this on in your profile settings to gain access to content monetize options, get insight into your content performance, and allowing others to follow instead of sending friend requests as well. You could also control in your in-app browser settings to manage features like history, link, and price history as well. You can turn this on or off from the Facebook settings to manage how your data is used for the features add as well. So these are some of the common ways you could use advanced feature in Facebook. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.